like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment below for a chance to get a shout out in my next video.
Good morning, class. As for today's announcements, first off, whoever keeps clogging the toilet, please stop. It is not funny. You need to take care of yourselves. Second announcement, I am pleased to announce that our final exam is going to be this next week, so be sure to prepare for that.
Data. Miss Martin, what percentage will the final grade will this exam take up?
Wow, Caillou, what a terrible question. Idiot, does it look like I care? No, shut your stupid little mouth before I give you detention forever.
Wow, Miss Martin, why are you being so mean all of a sudden? That was a good question.
Caillou is right. That is a very important question, because we need to know how important this exam will be to us.
For once, I actually agree with the bald idiot. Why would you yell at him for that?
Well, how about you all shut your mouths before you all get detention?
No, this is not going to happen, Miss Martin. You are going to get detention instead. Now go to the office right now.
Wah 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 wah.
What a wonderful day. I hope one of my teachers doesn't come in here crying because they did something bad.
Wah 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 wah.
Miss Martin, what the heck are you doing here? You are supposed to be teaching class right now.
Well, Principal Derek, I was arguing with my students and they all gave me detention, and then they sent me here so you can deal with me.
Oh, is that so? Well, in that case I'm going to give you detention for the next month. I will see you here after class. Now go back to teaching right now.
Wah 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 wah. Man, I am so sick of my class for always doing me dirty like this. If only there was a way I could get back at them all. Anything at all? I guess I don't really have anything in mind. I guess I'll go back and teach today. Rosie, excuse me, what are you doing in the halls without a hall pass?
Oh, hey Miss Martin, I was just, looking for you.
I know dang well that's not the truth. Now tell me right now, why are you out here without a hall pass?
Alright, I'll tell you the truth. I was going to pull the fire alarm like I did last spring because I am tired of Caillou always bossing me around.
Rosie, are you kidding me? Why would you ever do that? That's it. Go to the office right now.
Wah 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 wah.
But you know, Rosie might be onto something. Pulling the fire alarm might actually be a great idea. The best idea I have ever heard. I think that's what I am going to do. Now let's go.
Oh crap, we have to get out of here.
I agree with Caillou. We have to run. There's a fire in the building.
Holy crap, there is a freaking fire. Run, 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 run. Now Miss Martin, did your whole class make it out safe?
Yes, they did, Principal Derek. I cannot believe there is a fire right now.
Guys, I have just discovered that there is no fire. A student must have pulled the fire alarm instead.
Oh my gosh, we can check the cameras to see who did it.
Oh no, this is not good at all. If they find out it was me, I am definitely getting fired big time. What to do? Maybe instead of checking the cameras, we can just ask the students individually instead?
Are you stupid? No, we are checking the cameras. That is the quickest way to find out who did this. Now let's go. Now let's see who actually pulled the fire alarm. Of course, I should have known, Miss freaking Martin. She is so fired for good this time. The fire alarm. Are you serious? We all thought there was a really bad fire. That is so freaking. You are fired forever. Go home.
Wah 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 wah.
Now remember kids, let this be a lesson to you all. Never pull the fire alarm. It could lead to very bad punishments. Don't be like Miss Martin.
You're right, Principal Derek. We will not be like dumb Miss Martin.
Good job kids. I'm glad you all learned something. You are all ungrounded.
Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Did you enjoy the video? Leave a comment below if you did.